Hello, today is October 29th, 2024. Just wanting to make another quick YouTube video about some stocks that have earnings this week. The first one, Eli Lilly. I personally own 20 shares of Eli Lilly. It's expected to have pretty good earnings this week, and I personally have a strong buy for Eli Lilly. Eli Lilly's beat earnings every single time this year, so you can probably expect a 10 to 15% gain. At least probably, it should do that within the next couple days. That's just my personal analysis. Then we also have ticker symbol mstr, MicroStrategy Incorporated. It's up 495% in the past year. It's currently trading at over $270 a share. Currently, it's just been the hottest stock in the entire market. I'd like to say congratulations to everybody who bought in at 185. I have my trade signals on Twitter. You really can't go wrong, following me there. It's a win-win. We all buy the best companies and make money together. MicroStrategy Incorporated has earnings on 10/30. I personally, advising everyone to stay out of it until maybe a week after earnings. Let everything settle, see how it goes. But it's went from $185 to $270 in under a month, which is just incredible. So generally when a stock continues to go up right before earnings, I'll stay out of it. If a stock tends to dip, like Eli Lilly, there's a good chance it's going to see a nice surge in price. So great stock to trade, but just be careful with earnings. Next company that's done, just had an amazing year, Carvana, ticker symbol cvna. The stock's probably the hottest on my entire watch list, up 546% in the past year. It's at all-time highs today, trading at $207 a share. Carvana surged more than 25% back in April when it had earnings, and also beat earnings. Its last time it had earnings was also up over 10%. It's just continued to do extremely well. Personally, I day trade Carvana and think this stock's going to have another amazing earnings, but I'd also be careful with it just because it continues to just climb higher, steadily climbing higher. I was day trading it back when it was $84 earlier this year. I wouldn't be surprised to see the stock go over $225 at some point in the near future. But I'm personally going to wait till probably a week after earnings and start trading it like usual. Next company on my watch list, Blackstone, ticker symbol BX. It continues to pay. It's currently up 82% in the past year. And even though it's the lowest performing of my original stocks for 2024 that I selected back in 2023, it's still done exceptionally well. And every time we've had a market correction, it's held its value. So that's a big plus. I'm up over $3,000 in Blackstone this year. Also, Blackstone pays a nice dividend of 86 cents a share. So you really can't go wrong. I've got a buy price in for Blackstone at $168 a share. Next company, Meta, ticker symbol META. It was also on my watch list for 2024. Just like Blackstone, it's currently up 86% in the past year, and currently trading at $5.80 a share. Meta's stock surged the last earnings date, and also I believe the stock's going to go higher, but Meta's also known for having known to drop at earnings. So even though I'm optimistic with this company, I would wait for a week after earnings before I invested back into Meta. And then next company, Coinbase, ticker symbol COIN. It's another company that's just had an amazing year. It's up more than 165% in the past year. This company needs great earnings to finish the year strong. Definitely looking forward to see what happens on 10/30, because Coinbase, dropped in price drastically after its last earnings. It's another wait and see, in my opinion. But excellent company to day trade. And what I like about Coinbase and MicroStrategy Incorporated, you don't have to pay all the fees that you pay that when you day trade cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and Ethereum, they have fees, I think, of 1.5%, which just will eat you up. And if you day trade for a living, that adds up pretty quickly. So it helps to get just day trade a stock that goes up when Bitcoin goes up, and it makes things a lot easier, and there's a lot more money to be made. And Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN, it's another stock up 46% in the past year. It's kind of stalled in the last 3 months. It's only up 4.5%. Amazon needs a strong earnings on 10/31. I would definitely wait to see what happens with Amazon earnings. The market's really hot right now, so all these companies should do extremely well. But still, I would just I'd be cautiously optimistic. And the last company, my personal favorite, NVDA, continues to climb higher, it's traded as high as $143 a share. NVIDIA is known for its volatility, and it's set to have another amazing Christmas rally. This stock should go up 25% or higher. Usually around December, you'll see NVIDIA and other companies that are really volatile go up 25, even 30%. And this year set up to be another amazing finish. If you like this video, please hit the like button. We're trying to get this account monetized, so please hit the like and follow. Also, you can get a free stock from Webull in the comments below. Just click on my referral link. Webull is one of the few brokerages you can day trade stocks between 4 a.m. and 7 a.m. Eastern. It gives you a big edge over the competition. If you got TD Ameritrade or Charles Schwab or Fidelity, they're great brokerages, but you're already automatically behind because they don't open till 7 a.m. And something happens, globally, or with Bitcoin overnight or something, a lot of these stocks could just tank. Just like we've had a market correction twice. If you have NVIDIA or something, maybe down 2%, and you can protect your profit. I'd say, something that everyday trader needs is a company like Webull. Been using it for years. Totally safe. Great customer service. Really can't go wrong there. So I highly recommend Webull. I'll be making another video next week. If you have any stocks you'd like me to do a deep dive into, please just leave them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer. Hope everyone has a very profitable week. Also, check me out on TikTok and Instagram at Josh Delosier. Also, I'm on Twitter. You can get all my trade signals for free. Just search Josh Delosier, and everything's right there for you, totally free. Hope everyone has a very profitable week.